Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the word problem of class 7 and hope to enjoy this session. For the word problem, let's move the board. My dear students, I have just selected question number 9, and in this question it has been given that weight of apple purchased by Shyama and Sarla. Both went to the market and purchased some fruits, and in this question it has been given that whose weight of fruits is much more. It can be obtained by addition of total fruits purchased by him. Now it has been given in the question that weight of apples bought by Shyama 5 kg 300 gram. I have just converted it in the form of kg, and that is 5.300 kg. And weight of mangoes has been given that bought by Shyama is 3 kg 250 gram. I have converted into kilogram. Therefore, total weight of the fruits purchased by Shyama, you have to just add these two. When you have just add, then total weight is 8.550 kg. It means 8 kg 550 gram. Again, it has given for Sarla. You have just to see that Sarla purchased oranges and bananas. Oranges, their weight is 4 kg 800 gram. I have convert gram into kg. And bananas, it has given 4 kg 150 gram. And you need to convert into kilogram, or either you have to do in terms of kg and gram, no problem. It is not essential to convert into kilogram. You can add in this situation also 4 kg 150 gram and 4 kg 800 gram, no problem. The result is similar. I have converted into kilogram, and when I have added these two, then result is 8 kg 950 kilogram. Now you can just compare that 8 kg 950 kilogram is larger weight as compared to 8 kg 550 kilogram, and this is why in this result it has been mentioned that Sarla bought more fruits as compared to Shyama. Now question number 12, you have to just see that question number 12 has been given that Rajiv moved from P to Q, actually P to Q and Q to R, and it has been given the total distance covered by Rajiv from P to Q. It has been given that 8.3 kilometer, and it has been given 12.8 kilometer. It has been just given in the question that. Then you need to find that total distance covered by him means from P to R. So total distance covered by him you can just find out by adding these 2 kilometer, 8.3 kilometer and 12.8 kilometer. On addition, you get 21.1 kilometer, and that is the result of this question. Given that in chapter 3.2 that side of an equilateral triangle is 5.7 centimeter, and you need to calculate its perimeter. You know very well that a triangle whose all sides are equal is known as equilateral triangles. And you know that if one side is a unit, then its all sides are each side are a unit. So its perimeter is actually a plus a plus a, which is equal to 3a, and 3a means 3 times a side, or 3 multiplied by length of its one side. My dear students, I have just applied the same approach in this question. that length of one side has been given 5.7 centimeter. So its perimeter is 3 times a side, 3 into 5.7 centimeter, and which is equal to 17.1 centimeter. So its final result is 17.1 centimeter. Again, you can just see that in question number 6, it has been given that distance covered by two-wheeler, you have to just riding a bike, and in 1 liter of petrol, it has just covered 55.3 kilometer, and it has been just covered a distance 55.3 kilometer. Then in tank it has given 10 liter of petrol. How much distance you have just covered? This is the very simple questions, and you have just multiply it, and when you have just multiply 55.3 by 10, then result is 553 kilometer. And look at the question number 7. It has given that length of a square, and it is related to a square, and you know very well that a square having all sides equal and each angle of 90 degree, my dear. So it is related to a square, and the length of one side of a square has been given 2.5 centimeter, and its area can be calculated by multiplying side with side. And when you multiply, then 2.5 is multiplied by 2.5, and the result is 6.25 centimeter square. So its result is 6.25 centimeter square. Now move to exercise 3.3. My dear student, I have just taken the 4th questions, and it has given that one number has been given 3.41, and it is given in question that by what number should 3.41 be multiplied, then their product is equal to 8.0135. My dear, when one number has been given, product of the number has been given, then other number can be obtained by product of this number is divided by the given number. And so I have just done that. Product of two numbers has been written 8.0135, and it is divided by 3.41. And further, when I have just proceed the calculation, then final result is 2.355. Here it is quite essential to mention that this 2.35 I have just found out by the division process, and this is the division. This division you must do in the right side of this question, because it is a part of this rough is the part of solution, so you must mention in the right side of 0 or right side of this question. And last question I have taken for this session, that 7th question of 3.3, and it has been given that total distance covered in 2.2 hours is equal to 89.1 kilometer. Therefore, total distance covered in 1 hour is equal to, actually this distance, total distance is divided by total hours, and total hours is 2.2. When you divide and do further calculation, because both are the multiple of 11, so when you do the calculation, then you get 81/2 kilometer, and when you convert into decimal, then actually this decimal is 40.5 kilometer. So my dear students, hope you have very benefited by these useful sessions, and what is your opinion, you must mention in the comment box. Thank you very much.